Hi guys! So I am May. I am the founder of Get Ready With Me Cosmetics and I am here to share with you our latest product. And that is the SPF BFF, your makeup and your skin's BFF. Magkaroon muna tayo ng a little bit of refresher, no? Grabe, very YouTube-based yung naaalala ko. So the skin is the largest organ in our body. And hindi lang dapat mismo mukha yung nilalagyan natin ng sun protection. Technically, lahat ng nai-expose sa araw. SPF stands for Sun Protection Factor. So this number entails on how much you are protected against the UVB rays. So makikita nyo dyan, merong table dyan. Is the higher the SPF, the better? The answer is not necessarily. Kasi at the range of SPF 30, is meron ka na kaagad na 97% protection. You cannot be 100% protected. So, kahit pa umabot ng SPF 500, SPF 1 million yung claim, is hindi pa rin niya 100% mapoprotect yung skin mo. Minimum of SPF 30 is already good enough. The PA rating gives us an idea kung gaano tayo ka-protected from the UVA ray. As long as it's PA 3 plus above, it's already okay. So, pag sinabi mong broad spectrum sunscreen, you are both protected from the UVA and from the UVB rays. Merong iba't ibang klase ng sunscreen. So, number 1, meron tayong physical/mineral sunscreen. So, alam na alam nyo to kapag yung sunscreen is either zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. This is a physical sunscreen. Ito yung makikita nyo talagang solid na puti siya. And manonotice nyo yung formulation nito kapag na-compare nyo talaga siya ha. For example, sa mga Korean sunscreens is mas makapal siya. So, chemical sunscreen naman, ito yung mga formulation na walang titanium dioxide at wala ding zinc oxide. Between the two, in terms of cosmetics, very cosmetically elegant most chemical sunscreen. Kasi nga, again, mas maninipis sila. Wala rin silang white cast or yung toning effect. Kasi they don't contain those two physical sunscreen ingredient. Yung mga chemical sunscreen, it can give you also the same protection, and this sunscreen can also be hypoallergenic. Meron kasing misconception before na hindi pwede ang chemical sunscreens or hybrid sunscreens sa sensitive skin. But this is case-to-case basis. If you have really sensitive skin that it was prescribed to you by your derma to only use physical sunscreen, then you go with that. Pero again, it's not the case for everyone. And it's actually a misconception na dinibang many times ng mga chemists and even dermatologists. Now, meron tayong tinatawag na hybrid sunscreen. From its word, meron siyang both physical at meron din siyang chemical UV filters. So, just to give you a very short background about UV filters, there are UV filters na hindi sila ganun ka-stable or kailangan nila ng boost from other UV filters para mas maging effective sila. That is the reason why there are sunscreens na merong 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na mga UV filters. So, may mga magtatanong, the more UV filters po ba, the better? Not necessarily. Hindi nababase yan sa dami ng UV filters. Nababase yan kung gaano ka-photostable yung UV filters, kung ano yung percentage ng UV filters na to sa formulation. And there were no solidified or concrete studies about sunscreens being UV safe or not. But again, in other countries, banned siya. So, if a certain formulation has no ingredients that are banned from these countries, meaning they consider you as reef safe. Noong 2022 pa lang, gusto ko nang maglabas ng sunscreen. Pero kasi, hindi namin mahanap yung manufacturer who can do yung gusto namin. Of course, Get Ready With Me Cosmetics is a cosmetics brand. We have to make a cosmetically elegant formulation for SPF that will work best under makeup. And after 1 year, nakahanap kami ng manufacturer in Korea who is also one of the premier na SPF manufacturers sa Korea. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like. Yan, may mga pa-gold tayo dyan. So, SPF BFF is a sunscreen that can also double up as your moisturizing primer. People who tested this product told me na that it can also double up as their moisturizers na din. Kasi this formulation is very hydrating and moisturizing. This sunscreen is also SPF, UVA, and hypoallergenic tested by the Korean Dermatology Research Institute. So this one will really give you the sun protection it claims. And if you will look at the ingredient list, guys, we have glycerin, we have niacinamide, we have adenosine, heart leaf extract, and also panthenol. One of my very favorite ingredient for moisturizers, which is glycerin, is here. Kaya naman, kapag tinry nyo siya, guys, mafe-feel nyo talaga on how smooth, on how soothing it is, and how hydrating it is without the stickiness. I'm sure magtatanong about sa mga UV filters na to. So it has 4 new generation photostable UV filters. If you will look at Korean na mga sunscreens, madalas ito yung mga UV filters na gamit ng mga brands. Kasi these UV filters are number 1, they are photostable. Number 2, they really give you that high sun protection. And number 3, it's very cosmetically elegant. Meaning, if maglagay ka ng makeup on top, maganda pa din yung makeup. It will not peel, it will not look cakey. Ako kasi personally, mahilig ako sa Korean sunscreens. I want that same cosmetically elegant feature ng mga Korean sunscreen. So, I look for a manufacturer na magaling sa sunscreen. May last year, I was still like 7 months pregnant ata nun. So, we went to Korea to visit the manufacturer. And nilagay ko talaga doon lahat ng requirements ko for the sunscreen. So, they will formulate based on that. And I'm so happy na after a lot of testing, no? Even the white cast kasi I have my R&D team with me na moreno talaga sila. And then, tinetest nila yung SPF, BFF. Tapos, nagtatalo-talo pa kami kapag may white cast. Sasabihin nila, Ma'am, may konting white cast! Okay, babalik namin sa manufacturer. Paki-revise. So, nakakatuwa kasi during the R&D process, talagang batuhan kami ng batuhan ng team ko. So, usually, when people apply this, they use the 2-finger method. So, it comes with an nozzle para mabilis siyang iganon. This is vegan and cruelty-free. People always do the 2-finger method. Ayan, ganyan siya. Yung isa is ilalagay ko dito. And then the other one here. Like, kuha lang ako ng konti para dito sa forehead. This is how it looks like on my skin. So, sobrang dami kong redness ngayon kasi nagpi-PMS ako, guys. Anyway, ito siya, guys, kapag binlend. So, hindi ko ikakat to para makita nyo talaga siya. Yan. It will also soothe yung mga redness nyo sa skin, guys. So, you can see how hydrating and moisturizing that is without leaving a white cast. Ayan, may ilaw din ako sa tapat ko para mas makita nyo. Ayan, yung mga texture ko, kitang-kita nyo yung mga redness. But that is how it looks like. So, also here, ayan siya, guys. Kita nyo, wala siyang white cast. And also here. And by the way, this one has no sting in the eyes. As you can see, guys, wala siyang white cast. And you can see na plump and moisturize yung skin. Lalapit pa ako. Pasensya na sa mga kumakain. Alam kong nakakaumay. Pero, yeah. Product is also hypoallergenic tested. So, we did a non-irritancy test with the Korean Dermatology Research Institution. And it passed the test. And I know a lot of you will ask, may fragrance po ba? It is fragrance-free. The good thing about the finish of SPF, BFF, kita nyo yung glow sa skin ko. Pero pag hinawakan nyo yung balat, wala yan. Walang stickiness. Walang tackiness. Kahit mag-add ako ng isa pang layer, there will be no white cast. Usually, I do this. And sobrang dali lang talaga niyang i-blend. Wala siyang lagkit or anything. And it still look really good on the skin. Mag-a-apply lang ako, guys, ng makeup and I'll be back. So this is how my makeup looks like on top of the SPF BFF. Very smooth ang makeup application sa kanya. There will be no tagging and there's no peeling also. Isa yun actually sa pinaka-main consideration namin habang dinidevelop to is that it has to work really, really nicely under makeup. Ang pinili namin ng mga UV filters ay yung mga new generation na photo-stable UV filters. So, kailangan siya na photo-stable siya kasi kailangan ma-withstand niya, guys. Yung mga UV rays, yung init, ganyan. Yung mga top SPF products ng Korea, mapapansin nyo, yung mga UV filters nila is puro mga new generation na mga photo-stable din. Very important to look for a sunscreen na hindi siya magpipil, na hindi siya mabigat. Kasi may layer ka na ng makeup. So, kung mabigat din yung sunscreen mo, doble-doble siya. So, mga mommies na kagaya ko, yung iba sa inyo is breastfeeding. Alam ko yung tatanong nyo, pwede ba sa amin to? The answer is, you need to consult your doctor. Kasi ako, when I found out I was pregnant, ito talaga yung unang concern ko. I also set up a consultation with the Nerdy Derma. She is a board-certified dermatologist. And, syempre, niraise ko yung mga concern ko sa kanya kasi during first trimester, nagkakaroon ako ng makeup breakouts. So, ano yung pwede kong gamitin for that? Tinanong ko siya, anong sunscreen, doktor, pwede kong gamitin na aside from mineral? Kasi ayoko talaga dahil nga makeup wearer ako. So, when I had a consultation with her, pinayagan niya ako. Sabi niya, it's fine. You can use yung mga sunscreen na bet mo. So, with that, I was doing the R&D while while I was pregnant. So, gamit ko siya. Until now, si SPF BFF pa din yung gamit ko. So, in my case, my doctor allowed me. Hindi naman ako breastfeeding din. I highly suggest, no, that you consult your doctor muna before purchasing one para hindi din masayang yung purchase nyo. So, I hope I answered your questions. Sana matry nyo siya, guys. And available to, guys, on our e-commerce platforms. And also sa mga SM Beauty and Watson stores. And by the way, sa mga nagre-request, sobrang dami nyo. We are still looking into it, no, if we will come back to TikTok Shop since the demand also from the consumers. So yeah, that's just it. Thank you so much, guys.